Hello, my name is Constable Tony Vella from the Toronto Police, and I'm here with Rebuild Your Community. A couple of things. We're approaching what? Halloween. Halloween's coming up, October 31st. A couple of safety reminders for yourself and for your children. A couple of things. When you're taking your kids out trick-or-treating, ensure that you watch them at all times. When they're crossing the street, make sure you're with them. Don't take any chances. For the drivers as well, make sure you slow down. It gets darker. Make sure your headlights are on. Drive slowly. You may think, why is he telling me this? I know all this. But you know what? Some people don't do it. So do it. Follow the rules of the road. Take your time when you're going through the side streets. For clothing, ensure that your children's clothing are light, they're reflective. Just in case they do cross the street, they're seen by the drivers. When you're going up to the doorstep, homeowners, put the light on the porch. This way there's visibility, people won't fall, they won't hurt themselves. So put your porch light on, as well as when you're approaching the door and you're giving some candy, don't touch the candy for the kids until you get home and your parents check. You want to make sure the wrapping is not being touched or tampered with. This is how I rebuild my community. Cheers.